Then inside that, the first we will write these two things. First one, H5, top instructors. Then paragraph. Okay, both the things I want to see in center, that's a text center, and here also text center. Okay, we will get, we are getting. Then we will design. See here in medium screen I need 3 images, but in small screen I need 2 images. You just see. Okay, and extra small 1 image, small 2, medium 3. Then what I am going to write? Div class row, then inside row div class call MD4 call SM6. Okay. Then how many images I want? 3. Then this is the first, second, third. Okay. Then in each column you have 2 things. One is image area and the one is text area. Then in each column I have div class single theme. Okay. Inside this I have 2 things. One is image area and the one is image text, or you can write text area. Okay, this is image area, this is text area. Then in image area what I want to apply, I want to insert one image, div class image area, because this is needed while you are going to do the style. And what image I need? Images user1.jpg and class img responsive. Okay, alt. This is the image. And you can see that after image, these you can also add this thing, but this all things comes under the image area. That's why after adding this image, inside that div create another one div and give the class name as social, and in that we are going to add the social icons. And for that, first I am using a unordered list and class list inline. Inside this I am going to add the social icons. List, the first one is I class FAB FA Facebook. Okay, then I need 4. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Take this code and see how many chapters select, and then yes, this code I will send in email. Do check your email. Every day after the session I am sending the code. Okay, and there is only one class left to complete this course, and after that there is a small exam to qualify for the certificate. Okay. Okay, this links I need, but second one I need Twitter, then I just write here Twitter, then third one LinkedIn, and the fourth one is Instagram. Okay, we will see that. You will get something like this. Don't worry about this. We will do the CSS, apply the style, that so that it will come above this. Okay. Then this is image area is over. Then I have the text area. In text area, I can create one div and give the name as image text, and there I have two elements. One is name, I just use the name, and another one is designation. For designation, I am using F6 front end developer. Okay, this is the complete one instructor, detail about one instructor. Then I need 3. Then what I have to do? From here, copy, paste. Here change the image user to, and in image text you change this name. I just change from here, copy, paste, copy, paste. Then the same thing I am going to do for the third one, copy, paste, then user 3, change the name, and this. Okay, now we will get 3. Okay, now we will do the style, so that when I move my mouse on particular image, this social icon will appear above the image. Okay, then go to style, team. First, of course, I have to style the section, and in here I am giving only the padding top to area. Then once I style the section, I have to style the heading, and in heading I am using font size to rem, then font weight bold, then text decoration underline, then text underline position under. Okay, then this heading get changed. Then I will style this paragraph. I have not applied so much style. If you want, you can apply it for more improvement and for more look and feel. Okay, I just applied the basic style. Okay, font weight 400. Okay, then we will come to the single theme. Then dot single theme. What I want, background color, I want to give a background color, that is black. Then margin bottom 10 pixel. You can see that now it comes like this. Okay, like this. Now after this, dot single theme hover dot social. Please check that the spelling will be correct. If there is a mistake in spelling, then your CSS will not apply. Cursor, pointer, opacity 1, and transform, rotate y 0 degree, scale 1 1. It will not do any effect because till now we have not completed the style. Okay. Then dot image area, overflow hidden, position relative. Why position relative? Because I want to keep this social icons above this. That's why make sure this position is relative and this position is absolute. Okay. Then dot image area, image, I just set the image width as 100% and transition all 0.4 second is 0 second. Okay. Then dot image area, hover image, transform, scale 1.2. Okay. Till now you will not get any effect, like only this image effect. Okay. Now we will move the social icons above this. Then dot image area dot social. For social icon I am just using background color little bit dark, RGBA 0.7. Then position, this position will be absolute. Text align, center. See, now you can see that it look like something like this. Okay, like it gone. We will make it come. Height 100%, width 100%, top 0, left 0. Okay, but it is in text align center. Okay, then what I want, opacity 0, transition 0.5 second, and transform, rotate y 180 degree, and scale 0.5, 0.5. Okay, it rotate 180 degree, it give a flip look. Okay, and it zoom also, and your image and this things both zoom at the same time. Okay, only thing I want to keep this thing here. Then dot image area dot social UL, text align center, position. Again here I am going to use a position relative. Then top 175 pixel. See here, it comes here. Now I have to move this to left side. For that dot image area dot social ULLIA. Border, I am going to give one border so that it will be visible. 1 pixel solid white color. You can see that. See, there is a border. Now color also white. This triple F. See, color also white. Then display block. Okay. Now only thing I have to change the font size and height width. Font size 20 pixel, height 40 pixel, width 40 pixel, then line height 40 pixel. You got it from here. Now what I want, when I mouse hover on this, the color will get changed. Okay. Okay, the social icon color also here getting changed. I just want to make the social icon color dot img area dot social I, and this eye color I am getting from where, about snow, like here. Icon bar, okay, I, no, this is eye color is here. I have used some icon bar color, means eye color, like, let me show you. Animation, no. In header extra div, this color, copy and paste it. Okay, you got the color. Now only thing, when I hover on the mouse, the color will get changed. Then dot image area dot social ULLIA hover. Once we hover, I want that the background color will be white, the color will be black, the text color, and it will get the border of 1 pixel solid transparent. See, okay, the border is solid transparent. Okay, the last part is I have to change this color because this is not visible. I am going to only change the color, nothing else. Dot image text. If you want to change the font size, rest of the things, then you can do. Simply I am going to add the padding 25 pixel, color white, and text align center. Okay, see, if you want to change the font size or font color, anything you can do it, but here now this is over, like we have. But here you can see that I have not used any component like card component or carousel component, not any component. I have only used the grid system to design this. If you want to use the card component, then you can use it. But in the previous project we have used the card component, and in this project also we have used the card component. That's why I have shown you under one basic way to design like card component but not using card component. Okay, this is over. In the next session we will complete these three things. One is contact us, and the one is how to embed the map in the project in the website, and the footer one. The footer one is like 30 to 40% similar to what we have done in the previous project, but here we will see that how to create this newsletter, and we have added the social icon here. Okay, means we have added social icons in fixed sidebar, and we have added social icon in the footer and this part. Okay, and but the next class, that is your last class, the next class is your last class, and that class will be taken online after your Eid holiday. Okay, after your Eid holiday I will take your last class. Before that, go through all the projects and all the video. If you need any repetition of any section, do inform me so that I can repeat that section before taking the last class. Okay, and please check your email, because after completing this class immediately I am sending you the email regarding the code of that particular day and PPT and the link where you can learn more. Okay, do check your email. Okay, then bye. Can we click 2 presses enter on Facebook and 3 clicks enter on Instagram, for example? Click 2 presses enter on Facebook. Yes, like if you want here Instagram in 3rd place and Facebook in 2 places, you can do it. This is my order. You can change your order in which way you want to see. Okay. Okay, then bye, see you. Okay, you can also see this on center, or you can also see this on the right side, wherever you want to see, and you can apply different type of animation also. This is the one particular type of animation I have shown. Okay, okay, then bye, see you on next class.